Mommy, look! This fish is smiling at me.
That is a stingray, Leo.
Hello, Mr. Stingray.
Let's take a photo. Group selfie. Say cheese.
Cheese. Daddy, look over here. It looks like a rainbow. So colorful.
Wow, that is the coral reef.
Look at the sea turtles. They are huge.
The sign says they live for 100 years.
What is that sound? F-E-A-L. Steel show? Mommy, steel show. Let's go watch.
Wait a minute, Leo. Let me finish reading.
But Mommy... Oh no, I will miss the show. I will run very fast. Just 1 minute. Wait for me, Seal.
Welcome, Mr. Seal. Say hello to everyone.
He is waving his hand. Hello, Mr. Seal.
Now, catch the ball.
Wow, look at his nose. He can balance the ball. Good job.
Jump high. And flip.
Yay! Super job.
Mr. Seal, attention. Salute.
Daddy, Daddy, look at the soldiers. Did you see that? It is so cool. Huh?
Hello? Are you okay?
You are not Daddy. Mommy? Maya? Where are you? Oh no. I am lost.
Okay, Leo, let's go. Leo?
Ethan, where is Leo?
Leo? Leo? Where are you? Oh my gosh. My son is lost.
Excuse me, have you seen a little boy? He is this tall, blue shirt.
No, I am sorry. Mommy, where is Leo? Leo, come back.
Ethan, Maya. Panic does not help. We need to be calm. We need to find the security guard. My son is lost. His name is Leo. He wears a blue t-shirt.
Okay, using the loudspeaker. Attention, please. Looking for Leo. Your parents are waiting at the main lobby.
That is my name, Leo. Mom.
जाओ खेलो
इस समय में बच्चों को एक्टिव रहने के लिए बोन्स का स्ट्रॉन्ग होना भी जरूरी है। मैं इसे देती हूँ नेस्ले लैक्टिव प्रो विद एक्टिव प्रो, जिसमें शामिल है प्रोबायोटिक्स और खास न्यूट्रिएंट्स बच्चों की ग्रोइंग बोन्स के लिए। नेस्ले लैक्टिव प्रो, ग्रो एक्टिव विद एक्टिव प्रो।
Mom is at the main lobby. I must be brave. I must find help. Excuse me? I am lost. Oh, poor boy. Can I help you? Where's the main lobby?
Don't worry, it is close. Look, go straight, then turn left at the turtle tank. Can you do it?
Yes, thank you. Wow, so many colors. No, no stopping. I must find Mommy. Turn left here. Look, the sign says lobby. I am almost there.
Where is he? Why is it so long?
He will be here. Be strong, Ethan.
Mommy! Daddy!
Oh, my baby. I was so scared.
Thank goodness you are safe. Kids, remember this lesson. Always stay close to Mommy and Daddy. Do not run away alone. And parents, please watch your kids carefully.
Friends, don't be like me. It is scary to be lost. But you were brave, Leo. You asked for help. Good job.
Okay, but the aquarium is amazing, right? How about you? Do you like the aquarium? Tell us your story.
And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye. See you next time.
This strong wind is very cold and scary.
Oh no, the bad storm is already here, kids.
My battery is dead. I cannot go home today.
Please go outside and find our mommy.
Is anyone home? Please help me in this storm. I am very tired and my hands are freezing. This is a great picture of our ski trip today.
This hot chocolate is very good for winter.
Oh no, we forgot our winter gloves at home.
I will go buy new gloves for you right now.
Goodbye, Mommy. Please come back very soon.
The kids will love these warm new winter gloves.
Warning! A big blizzard is coming tonight.
It is still early. I can go home safely. Why is the sky getting very dark so quickly? This strong wind is very cold and scary.
The wind is hitting our windows very hard right now.
Breaking news. A dangerous snowstorm is here now.
Oh no, the bad storm is already here, kids.
I must drive back to our cabin quickly. My car is completely stuck in this very thick snow. I need to call my husband. Oh no, my battery is dead. I cannot go home today.
I cannot see anything in this white snow.
Please answer your phone, Grace. Please just pick up. Her phone is off. I cannot talk to her.
Please go outside and find our mommy right now.
Going outside is too dangerous, kids. I must call the police for some help.
I must walk in the cold snow to find shelter. Is anyone home? Please help me in this storm. I am very tired and my hands are freezing. I see a warm light in that house over there. Please open the door. I am freezing outside. I really hope a good person is inside.
Oh, my dear. Come inside my warm house. Quickly.
Thank you so much for saving my life today.
You can use my phone to call your family.
Hello? Is this Grace speaking?
Yes, I am safe in a warm house now.
Hooray! Our sweet mommy is safe and warm.
Please wait there until tomorrow morning, my love.
We love you so much, Mommy. Sleep well.
The storm is over. The morning is very sunny today.
We miss you so much in the scary snowstorm, Mommy.
Thank you again for helping me. You are very kind. always charge your phone